Go ahead and let you line up at there's just one thing that I kind of want to bring to your attention and see how you feel about this.
Okay.
All right. Now I'm going to have you stop here.
Okay.
Let me kind of get there on your feet. And if you want to, go ahead, just put your club down. I'm just going to try to get all right. So now if we kind of step away here, and if you want to bring the camera around this way kind of a little bit, so we kind of have you set up, you know, at your setup here. So to me, we were going to the blue flag, so your feet are kind of, you know, open to the left of your target, but your club square is actually to the right of the target.
Right.
So, you know, that to me thinks that there's a lot of things that you need to do, you know, during your swing to kind of get that club back on path to your target.
Right.
So, you know, your feet don't bug me as much. You know, there's a lot of people that have an open stance and everything. Your feet, I'm not too worried about your feet, but you know, to me, where your club is aiming kind of throws a flag up to me. Okay. And I would just like to see maybe if we can try to square up your club a little bit more to the target if your feet won't come with it as well. All right, and I know that might not have a lot to do with the contact of the ball, but maybe it can, you know, you're not thinking so much about it. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and do that, and I'll actually take this other flag out of there for you. And I'll just kind of let you, I would say, you know, yeah, I would say that's right at your target.
Okay.
So I'm actually going to leave. Does that bug you there?
No.
So we're going to just see if...
So is that square
Yep.
better there?
Looks square to me. Right down that parallel to that stick. You know, and that started at your target with a little draw. And you know, your divot's pointing right out towards your target as well. So that's a good sign. Take a look at ball position. Looks pretty well. Your grip looks good. And that was pretty good.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. All right. So I think now I'm going to have you step up here one more time.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you act like you were going to hit a shot.
Okay.
And then I'm going to have you stop. We'll put this back down on your foot line, which is there. Now if we step away, to me that's where you need to be.
Yeah, that's definitely
okay.
More
you see how
the target.
Yep, your feet are more square, which is going to make your shoulders more square to your target line, which is going to, you know, make your club path, your club swing go down the target line, down that. Okay, so now I think we can start worrying about if your club face is kind of closed maybe at impact, or if it's open at impact. You have a very peculiar release takeaway, almost kind of Jim Furyk like. Yeah, and I don't mind that because you set it at the top and you get your hands back down in the slot, as far as I'm concerned.
Okay.
So I'm not going to worry about your takeaway. I'm not going to worry about your swing.
Okay.
I think it's just a little something like this that maybe you're something that maybe you're overlooking, and that's all it is. Okay. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and I'll have you hit a couple more shots and we'll see if this does anything for you.